So today I got a parcel from GitHub and I'm excited. Let's unbox it together. Now it's open and okay. Oh, this is the first thing that I see. It says later. It says greetings from GitHub. Okay. Thank you. And then this just it. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing, and I can guess. You can guess what it is. So there's this. This is just a notepad. I love writing, so yeah. And then this is a wet bag. Let's see. Maybe there's something inside. Ooh, look at that. It's so pretty. And then lastly, got this. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's a hoodie and it's so soft. Oh my god. Yep, that's it. So I'm just going to wear my hoodie and love it and enjoy it. Okay, now tell me, how do I look? Oh my god. I love whatever is happening to me. Okay. Need to adjust it. How do I adjust it? Right here. Okay. That is much better.